Welcome to Lincoln University's Allen T. Busby Research Farm located just south of Jefferson City. The farm was purchased by the university in 1984 and became certified organic in the fall of 2012. As a 280-acre certified operation, the Busby Farm lays claim to being one of the largest certified organic research farms in the Midwest. Located along the Moyle River, the Busby Farm is comprised of a multitude of facilities and open pasture ground for the utilization and production of cattle, sheep, and goats. In addition to the pasture ground, the Busby Farm has over 100 acres of forested land that ranges from upland hardwoods and cedars to native timber stands along the banks of the Moyle River. The timber stands have been utilized for research and demonstration related to such practices as timber stand improvement and controlled burn. In order to stay progressive, the College of Agriculture, Environmental, and Human Sciences strives to continually add new facilities. This site is the location of the new hoop barn to be completed in the spring of 2022. The hoop barn will create the opportunity for Lincoln University research and extension personnel to undertake nutritional research and demonstration projects at the Busby facility. It is anticipated that nutritional and creep feeding studies will focus on small ruminant animals and have direct impacts and practical applications for all small ruminant producers from across the state. The open pastures at the Busby Farm allow for organic production of cattle, sheep, and goats, managed as an intensive grazing system. The animals are rotated on a nearly daily basis to minimize the potential impacts of internal parasites, which are one of the primary concerns and challenges to small ruminant production. The utilization of pasture rotation coupled with multi-species grazing greatly reduces the impacts of internal parasites while maximizing the overall health of the soil, forages, and the overall pasture system. In addition to the previously mentioned hoop barn, Lincoln University is proud to showcase the addition of 3 new greenhouses with a work barn and 2 new high tunnels. When completed in the spring of 2022, the 5,000 square foot of greenhouse space will be utilized for research and demonstration projects in the production of crops such as industrial hemp, quinoa, and various other cover crops. The high tunnels will offer nearly 6,000 square foot of space for production of various crops by extending the growing season when grown in these facilities. All production in the high tunnels and greenhouses will follow organic production protocol. Both the high tunnels and greenhouses will be state-of-the-art facilities that will offer invaluable research and demonstration projects for Lincoln University. Busby Farm has numerous open research plots of varying size from 1/2 acre to 4 acres for crops ranging from cover crops, quinoa, industrial hemp, and high concentrated tannin-containing forages such as bird's foot trefoil that can serve as natural dewormers for small ruminant animals. The cover crop plots serve to offer data and demonstration opportunities on the long-term benefits of cover crops to soil health. The Busby Youth Cabin facilities are a collection of 11 cabins for various youth activities. The cabins are equipped with kitchen appliances, meeting rooms, bunk beds, and an outdoor fire pit to allow for extended visits for groups of up to 30 people. Being located on the Busby Farm allows the visitors to participate in a wide array of activities on the farm related to the daily operations of the farm, as well as ongoing research and demonstration projects. This reservoir, which was constructed in 2010, serves as a source of water for the solar-powered watering system, located in the small white building. The solar watering system is used for drip irrigation for plants as well as the supply of drinking water to the livestock grazing in the farm's pastures. We thank you for taking this virtual tour of the Lincoln University Busby Research Farm and feel free to contact us for an in-person visit.